Thought I'd show you the pre-sunrise here this morning. All the crazy extra snow we got laying around. It is very pretty. Lots of beautiful colors. Good morning, everybody, and welcome. Well, hello, YouTube friends and fans. Got a big dilemma on whether to spend money on repairing the tractor or sell it and upgrade. So let me show you what's wrong. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Alrighty, first problem I got is a gas tank leak. I don't know if you can see all the moisture there. That's not from snow, that is from the gas tank leaking. And somewhere up under here, it's actually, you can even see the wetness line there. Don't know if you can pick this up or not, but it'd be the purples and pinks in the floor. That's where the gas was dripping. So anyhow, now that I've got that bad boy figured out, let's find out how much it's going to cost. So anyhow, the belt comes off when reverse. It knocked off the little transmission piece that runs right through here. It actually broke that little nub off that turns the transmission. So I don't know how much that's going to cost. And then of course it's got an oil leak, which you can see from all the grease and stuff. Had that repaired once, didn't last. So I don't know what to do. Sucks to be me, I guess. It's been a good tractor for 10 years. And I got a hole in the deck I gotta weld up. So, fun times. Maybe it's time to let it go. And the other issue I have here, let's see that little skeet right there? The other side's damaged as well, it's rusted through. Those are cheap, but it all adds up. So anyhow, not sure where I'm going to go with this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like, comment, tell me what you think you would do. Take care, friends. Let's see how the donut rolls. Yeah, go ahead. Let's see how well it works. First run, right?
I do not need a push.
Okay. Adios, señorita. Slow himself down. I'm gonna shut the phone, shut her off. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.